class education.
Happy meeting. This is Gautam.
This is Darshan.
This is Shashank from grade 8A of Jaya Bharati Shankar IIT Tripur Campus, Pulcheri. Our project is road safety and yellow visibility. My friend Darshan will explain this.
The effect of weather events on traffic operation and safety has become more important issue. The visibility reduction due to fog is the major concern. In the past 4 years, fog-related road fatalities in India has risen almost 100%. North India sees the most number of fog-related road deaths in the month of December and January. My friend Shashank will continue.
When a car is moving with its desired speed in the foggy weather, after an interval of time, due to some reason, the car breaks down. And another car on the same path, the driver is unable to see due to the low visibility in foggy weather. So, to overcome all these accidents due to the foggy weather, we developed this project. The components we use to make our project is ultrasonic sensor, red LED and Arduino.
When any vehicle is break down on the way, the ultrasonic sensor which is fitted in the pole sensor alert with the help of red light for the upcoming vehicle in the foggy weather.
So, Gautam, I see that in the ultrasonic sensors. What are ultrasonic sensors?
Ultrasonic sensors are the devices that generate or sense ultrasonic energy. They can be classified into three broad categories: transmitter, receiver, and transceivers. The range of measurement is 20 cm to 400 cm.
Oh wow, now I got to know what is ultrasonic sensors. Let me show you a quick demo.
When a car crosses through the pole, the LED goes on and off. Suppose the car is breakdown in the foggy weather, it is not visible for the upcoming vehicle. At the time, there is more chance to get accident. We made this project to prevent from accident in the foggy weather. The ultrasonic sensor detects the breakdown vehicle and alert with the help of red light goes continuously. It prevents from the accident.
We made this project to prevent from accidents in foggy areas and hill stations.
Hope you all like this innovative project.
Thank you.